We now have three different ways that we can refer to each of the notes of the major scale. We can refer to the notes of the major scale by letters, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We can refer to the notes of the major scale by solfege syllables, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. And now we know we can refer to them by the scale degrees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to tell you now a fourth way, or give you a fourth set of names by which we can identify each of the notes of the major scale. And let me start by just laying them out, and then we can talk about them a little bit. So, I've written them here above the staff and above the scale degrees. Scale degree 1 we call the tonic. Scale degree 2 we call the supertonic. Scale degree 3 we call the mediant. Scale degree 4 we call the subdominant. Scale degree 5 the dominant. Scale degree 6 the submediant. Scale degree 7 the leading tone. And then we're back on scale degree 8 to the tonic. Just like with letter names, we start on C and we end on C. We begin on do, we end on do. With solfege syllables, well, with the names of the scale degrees, we start on the tonic and we end on the tonic as well. And then that cycle continues up the next octave, tonic, supertonic, mediant, subdominant, and so forth. There are three of these names that I would like you to know, because we're going to use them a lot, and they're going to be useful to you not just in this class, but in your theory career after this. So the first is the tonic, scale degree 1, definitely know that. The second is the dominant, scale degree 5. And then the third is the leading tone, scale degree 7. And it might also be useful to know scale degree 4, subdominant. That's one that comes up a lot. But definitely tonic, dominant, and leading tone. Memorize those. Tonic for scale degree 1, dominant for scale degree 5, leading tone for scale degree 7. So why do we need 4 separate names for each of the notes? I mean, it's just a major scale. What could be simpler? Why do we need 4 different names to refer to each of those notes? And I'm not going to give you a full answer, but in the next video, at least, I'm going to start to give you a little bit of an idea of or at least a hint of what some of those answers might be.